Good morning, everyone. Oh, wait, hold up. Hold up. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, so, shout out to the two of you here. Don't know who it is yet, but shout out. Top of the morning. Appreciate y'all. Hey, and shout out to the one of you that smashed the like button. All right, so got about 14 minutes till the market opens. Hey, we have coming today coming to the day was doing some selling off, but it looks like we are at critical levels on a lot of different stock. I don't know what I did. It's like it's different now. Scott, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Hope all is well. And let me take this time to say, do not fear this movement we have. In a sense, is normal. I know lately it doesn't feel normal. Actually, if you look back to last Friday, it's kind of the exact same thing. We're at this same level we sold off to last Friday, but do not fear. It's just one of those things that happen in the market. We typically come down a lot faster than we go up. And let's say when in doubt, zoom out. Bro, what is going on here? There we go. It was like locked up. I couldn't zoom. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come down to like a 15. And I'd like to on most of the stocks I'm looking at, see us get above this 15 EMA. Here, let me shorten this SoFi over here. Yeah, but I'd like to see us get above the 15 EMA on the morning on something. Natasha, top of the morning. Good to have you. Good to have you this morning. Travis, top of the morning. Hey y'all, be real with me. How y'all feeling? Like how are you feeling? Like I'm a little bit. I didn't sleep well last night. I don't think it's because of the stock market, but I didn't sleep well. D Scurv, top of the morning. He says the shopping list ready. I see a lot of things at good, like great levels. A lot of things, if you look on the weekly, they're at weekly kind of pivotal points. I would say when it comes to shopping, it's kind of like take your pick. I really just wish I had more money. That is my issue. It's like there is so much I would shop for right now. It's really like focusing and whatnot. But yeah, honestly, I say take your pick. There's a lot of stuff at really good levels. Alerts going off left and right, and I like to say, what are you shopping for, D Skirt? Dominique, top of the morning. I feel great. Did get some sleep. Yeah, I feel that. I'm gonna be real. I've been getting like great sleep lately. But last night, I don't know. I think it might be excitement because I'm supposed to go to this cabin today. I don't know. Like I think that's why I didn't sleep because it's like I I slept like 5 hours. I woke up at I woke up at like 4. Usually wake up at like 5. Went to bed a little bit later, and yeah, but yeah, a lot of these stocks. that I was looking at this morning. Everything on my list really. If we look at like a weekly time frame on them, I'm gonna take this Oracle chart. Like right here, Oracle is pretty much opening up at the weekly. What is it? The weekly 48 EMA. Here, let's start. I got the weekly chart on the bottom right. Okay, hold up. Economic data from government reopening will tell the tale. We'll see. We'll see, because right now they're saying the data is not going to be released. Looking at crypto, waiting for signs of recovery first, and then same buy for Mag 7s. Hey, remember, if y'all are trying to play Mag 7, if y'all just don't know what to do, you got FNGU. It's going to be a 3x leverage, but it's going to be like you can only buy shares of this, not options on it. But yeah, some things to look out for today, like as along the lines with what D Skirt was saying. So we got the VIX up. Here, let's pull this up. We got the VIX kind of elevated right now. It's up 10% on the day. I'm really interested to see where the PCE is today. To me, it's a little bit crazy that we didn't really, like, the PCE was only about 70 yesterday, as low as we were. So, like, we honestly could have some more. Hold on. The U.S. my phone. The U.S. Department says, Commerce Department says October's personal income spending and inflation index will be released on November 20. Okay. All right. At first they said we weren't going to get it. And now they say, see, y'all can see how my sleep is. Yeah. They said that we will get it. It'll be released on November 26th. Okay. So that's positive. That's positive. I think they'll like that it's at least going to come out. Okay. So PCE closed at 72 yesterday. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has support at about like 94K, 94 down to like maybe 90 in this range. Then below that, you got maybe about like 85K. But there is a gap that's unfilled to like about 74K. Let's see what else. Lucid. Webull at $8. All right, all-time lows for Webull. This might be your chance to. This might be your Robinhood moment. You know, Robinhood was once at $8. Could it be the next Webull, or could Webull be the next Robinhood? I don't think it's quite gonna be like that, but I still think it's a good price. Yoko, hey Yoko, what's up? Top of the morning. Eddie, how long do you think the SPY will drop today? I'm gonna be real. I don't think it has much more dropping. Here, let's go back to the SPY. So, looking at the SPY, I think I think if we do drop today, I don't think we come much lower than last week. So we could drop a little bit. Like I say we can drop to, well, actually that's a decent ways. Yeah, that's like a few dollars from where we are. But I don't think we come below this this 661.50. But also, yeah, we're on a trend line right now. Still kind of trending up. I don't know. Hold up. So last week we had just crossed down. This week We just crossed down. It's like I really don't think that we'll like lose it, but I am trying to watch stuff on the lower time frame as well as like I would like to see us like move above the 13 EMA on the 15-minute time frame before I get comfortable saying like, okay, I think we're moving up now. But if I'm being real with y'all, I'm probably not doing anything except for maybe picking up shares today because I'm gonna be doing some traveling today, and I'm not trying to like worry about what my stocks are doing. So it's like if y'all have anything y'all want to look at, anything y'all want charted, I got y'all. But here, let's see. SPY a little below the 50 right now on the daily. Yeah. See, that's the thing. Like the little below. Like it's like, you know, these levels they're not like or these EMAs they don't like perfectly hit them all the time. You know, sometimes this little dip. And the thing about the daily candles and the weekly candles is like you don't really know how they're like what it's going to tell you like what's going on with the candle until the candle's closed. So I'm not going to get the information that I need to really kind of make my decisions about certain things until this day is closed. Good thing is it's a Friday, so we get kind of the ending. All right, let's see. PayPal. I'm gonna say great. PayPal is a great, like I'm gonna say it's an amazing buy at this level. As for what is going to happen with it, let's zoom out to the weekly. It still crossed to the downside on the weekly. Really doing some consolidation. Like it did like wick way up here for earnings and whatnot, but looking at PayPal, it's still like, or it's been kind of range bound. And like if we look at kind of this as being the range, this could like once again I want to see how the day closes out, but this could be a kind of close and PayPal may like end up coming back to where this trend began, and it may slowly move towards this. This is a weekly chart. Each one of these is a week at a time, so it might not happen all at once, but it does look like, and I've seen this with a lot of stocks, it does look like it's going to work its way down here slowly. Meta hit below 600. A lot of contracts overall expiring today too. Whoa, what was that? All right, Meta. Here, let's take a quick look at Meta. Dang, that like hit 596. Meta 480. I'm still waiting on it. You said clean spark. Okay. It looks like a buy. Like it looks like the last like something. Looks like there's some liquidity at about 983 on clean spark. But it looks like it can keep moving down. I'm being real. Like outside of support and resistance on things, like clean spark has a little support at this like at a like 11 or so. But yeah, 983 look. Ooh, hold up. Netflix. I'm gonna need you to chill out. Chill out. Okay, market is open. The market is open. Okay. Oh, they're trying to play with me with the Netflix. Here, let me see what's going on. It's kind of hard to watch a little bit. Wow. Colin, good morning. Liking Amazon puts. Um, the only thing I'm gonna say to y'all, trading options today. Be careful. Today the VIX is up to 22. It's up 10%. So know that you're gonna see elevated cost on options. If you're trading on Robinhood, I'm gonna be don't. Wait, well, not a financial advisor, not financial advice. I'm gonna just say it's not wise to make any trades in the first 15 minutes on Robinhood because they just the way their platform works. It's like the orders get filled all weird and whatnot. Okay, you said like an Amazon puts. Let's look at Amazon. I don't like Amazon puts too much further. Well actually, so I would think they could pull to this like 231, and then I think they would probably try to make some move back up to like 239, something like that. Kong, good morning. I'm not sure if I said good morning, but good morning. Only playing with half of. Hey, good that it's only half of the profits, cause I'm sitting on my hands today. Outside of just maybe buying stuff. Is this? Oh, y'all, just a heads up. I'm getting off earlier today because I gotta hit the road. But yeah, we're 2 minutes in the market open. Okay. All right. Said gap fill. Hello, 11:55.7. Or 11:557. I don't know. What do you think about? That's a lot of calls. Or that's a lot of stock. Oh, that's two. I'm not familiar with RVPH. This RVPH is a penny stock right now, so it's not really my wheelhouse, but yo, check your chart patterns. Right now it hasn't decided which way it's going, but I do see this. So maybe yeah, just look at that. Take your charts, consider drawing something like this for yourself. Wait till you get some kind of break and play that, but nothing really nothing really to say there. Let's see. Strive. What kind of? Oh, another penny stock. I'm gonna be real. This one looks like nothing good. I have nothing. No kind of analyst or analysis. Only thing I can come and do is like draw a trend line down. I don't like calls on any. Well, the other one has a possibility of like, oh, maybe at some point if it breaks. Whereas this one, no, I would say. Thoughts on Poet? Hey, what's up, Brandon? I is going down. It's in a downtrend. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna like hold above the 13 EMA, which is currently sitting at like 475. Beyond that, nothing to say. Strong downtrend. That's that. Patrick, what's up, family? How you doing? How you doing? Let's see. All right, as of right now, I'm seeing the SPY trying to hold this trend line, trying to hold pre-market support. We'll kind of see there. Hey, I feel like Netflix playing dirty today. It's wild how it does that. It's like it waits, looks all good after hours and everything, and then it's like right at open. It's like, oh yeah, let's drop like a rock. Lucian, good morning. Just caught 75. Hey, nice. Hey, good stuff. Steelers 43. You won in. Yeah. That's how you do it, honestly. I don't like to jump right in at open, but yo, I'm glad you can be done for the day. My life be like, hey, top of the morning. Hey, look at that. SoFi trying to come back for you. Happy what? Yesterday was your birthday? Hey, hope you had a happy birthday. Outside of SoFi kind of like pulling back. Hey, but one thing is it's above the 13 right now. It's a good look to start the morning kind of. All right, let's see if we got anything else. We still got 8 minutes till we get the data for the PCE showing. All right, on the 15, the Qs is trying to get above the 13. SPY is not quite above the 13 yet. These curve, at some point, buyers will step in. There's a bull market somewhere every day. McDonald's, Starbucks, Pepsi, Coke. I saw somebody on my story sharing something about a boycott on Starbucks. I'm like, let's see. Yeah, this looks like it's doing fine. Yeah, hope you had a blessed day. Hope you enjoy your weekend on the island. Yeah, hope it's a great time. But yeah, I would like to take this time to remind y'all of what happened last Friday. Friday, first candle, first 4 hours of the day. Boom, sold us off to 661. All right. Day closed out. Oh well, yeah. Then the day closed out at 672. So I'm gonna say, y'all just watch the trend, hang in there. Look, SPY's already back at 66. I don't like that number. But SPY it's trying to do its little poppy thing. M-Sense, hey, top of the morning. I feel like it's been a minute. Okay, you said I could not find you all last week. That's wild. I post a little links. Like I don't know if you're not checking the Discord, but it's like the links get posted. Yeah, but I was like, yo, where is this man? But I've been in the same places. You're beautiful 85. Good morning. Hey. Thanks for the name. Wow. Don't y'all forget it. It's a great day to diamond hand and sit on your hand or sit on your hands. Yeah. It's like I already have calls that kind of came down, but I feel like I also feel like they'll be all right. I don't think I have anything expiring today. And I feel like next week can be a completely different story. Also, like, want to remember, hey, Tom Lee did say he feels like and by no means is Tom Lee the end all be all, but he did say he feels like the second half or like November would be a really good month after the first couple weeks. Hey, this is the end of the second week. A couple is two. Let's see. Sky the Film Guy. Took a break from trading, but now I'm back. Oh, I feel like this is a rough time to come back if I'm being real. So I'm gonna say Sky. Hey, patience. Hey, come with the patience. But let me finish reading the rest. I'm back, but now Robinhood has all these new indicators. I've been using VWAP, MACD, and RSI. Are there? I personally don't use VWAP or MACD. Well, I do occasionally. I do occasionally like I will like look at, hey, where's the VWAP at for the day, but I use EMAs. Um, but ultimately it doesn't necessarily matter. I don't have recommendations. It's going to be like, what do you like most? What works for you? A lot of these different indicators will still get you to the same place. Like the exact same levels. Like there are a lot of things that I've learned, and I think it's like really cool when I use like multiple things I learned and it still leads me to the same spot. Which actually happens a lot. All right, so we're still pushing up on the Qs, pushing up on the SPY. Hey, who knows? It might come up and fill that gap. This might be an opportunity. Well, it's for sure an opportunity, but it might be one on the day too. I was doing good this week. Then I held Uber, Lyft, and Silver overnight, and Brad is going stale. I'm not sure how much I can help today. I can help you read the charts a little bit, but when it comes to making moves, I'm sitting on my hands today. I need to wait for clarity. So a lot of the clarity I need is on a higher time frame. So I need to wait for today to close to see how the day closes and how the week closes. Because there's a lot of stuff we're at some pivotal levels for. NVIDIA seems to like the upgrade to, let's see. Oh, hold on, wrong. Okay, good stuff, NVIDIA. Because you were, a lot of stuff was looking outlandish this morning. I was like, yo, what's going on? Oh, look at that. My life be like SoFi trying to come back. It's still a ways away, but we still got 2 minutes till we can see the PCE, the updated PCE. Got a little cuticle that I need to clip. LOL, just a loan today. I'll gladly pay you back Tuesday. M-Sense, I want to know what that's from. Honestly, it kind of sounds familiar. But Hood trying to, hey, they need to. Where's Hood at? Let's see. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, they came down to like 113. Okay, I was like, no, they're still lower than I last saw them. Look at Palantir. Palantir got to 162. Shoot, I feel like Michael Berry definitely had his chance to make some money. Type it in, it'll come up. That's a lot of work, M Sense. That's yeah. Hold up. Let's see. M Sense trying to get me to do work on top of. Oh, it's from Popeye. Okay. All right. Let's see. Time will tell, but Nvidia 15-minute opening can. Yeah, I would hope. Hey, we're starting off good. Like I said, like the. Oh wait, hold on. Let's check the PCE. Okay, it's a little higher. But yeah, I was saying like I wanted to see us get above the 15 on the Netflix is looking bad, but everything else is above the 15, which looks good. Um, yeah, it's a good start to the morning. Anyone who grab calls. It's like right now I'm just holding calls. But it's a good thing I got a little time on them. It's from Popeye the Sailor Man. A character who ate burgers always begged for burger, never paid for him. Always said I'll gladly pay you. Thinking about joining the Discord. I'd appreciate your help, sir. Said Wimpy. Are you using the orb strategy then? So I'm gonna be real. I don't trade orb. I draw support and resistance. I draw pre-market support and resistance, but I don't actually trade orb. I look for liquidity. I'm not today is like a little different. I'm not going to make any trades today. I already have trades I'm in. I'm not trying to, and like just with this market, I'm not trying to like over leverage myself. So it's a little different. So I personally use sweeps of liquidity, support resistance. Just I mostly trade from level to level and try to find reversals. Oh, what did I just do? So I got a December 19th call on lift. I'm up, but it's dipping. Uh, I usually say like if you have to ask if you should take profits, that's probably a good time to take profits. It's like, do I wanna collect this money, or do I want to possibly do I want to wait around and possibly lose this money? Um, I want to let you know from like a common thread that I continue to see amongst like anytime I get in a room with anybody like that's like ultra successful, ultra wealthy, anything like that. Anybody kind of ahead of me doing things where it's like, wow, can I do things like that, or can I like any of those people? It's like the one thing that they all seem to have in common is they make decisions and they make decisions quickly. and they understand the fact that, yo, no matter what kind of decision you make, you can recover from it, but you need to move forward and make a decision. So that's like, honestly, in a sense, it's like, yo, if you decide to take profits, there's nothing wrong with that. But indecision is it'll really do a number on you, because it's like, whenever you're indecisive, that kind of allows time and just the world to decide for you. And yeah, it's like whenever I let the world decide for me, because I'm like, oh yeah, I don't know what to do yet. It's like, oh man, I should have just did what I was thinking about. Nvidia started at open at 8, now 187. Just bought 5 clean spark, $50 total. Knew you were gonna say that. Tough decision to make. Hey, yeah, it's like, oh, it's like, if you don't know, just go with the gut. So far, buyers are, no, yeah, most of the prices were steals. Or honestly, I'm gonna say most things were steals. I still believe we can work our way down like over time, but it's like, see, Matthew, I needed you this week. I knew all you just said. Needed it Oh no, that's just, okay. I see why you would say that. I see why you said. I'm like, why would you pause? But I got you. I got you. Hey, Big Sean, top of the morning. It's like, yo, that's the importance of community. It's just like, community can keep you in check. It can kind of remind you of who you are. It's like sometimes, something outside of you will, I don't know, they might say something to you to make you forget who you are. But it's like that community, whether it's somebody you want to be or somebody or just who you've been, they can remind you or show you, lead you, help you. So it's like it's good to be on your own sometimes, like isolated with your thoughts, but also need that time with the community too. Yeah, Big Sean, top of the morning. Nvidia, Palantir, SoFi. Okay, yeah, Palantir. Okay, yeah, it is. Oh, we got Oscar in the green here. Let's see what greenies we got. Okay, so yeah, Nvidia green, that's good. Carvana green, SoFi green. Thank you, SoFi, for coming back. Reddit green, Rigetti green. I'm gonna need Rigetti to chill out. I was liking seeing that pull back. Here, yeah, Hood green. I'll have to see what MSRN is because I'm not familiar with it, if I'm being honest. Oclo green. Yeah, we got some stuff trying to turn green. We'll see what the SPY wants to do. I see we got a 65% vote on red right now. What just happened? What is MSRN? Apparently that doesn't exist. Yeah, I don't know what MSRN is, but if I type it in, it throws off all my charts, so. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Link green so far, Bitcoin. Oh, Ethereum was very bad yesterday though. Let's see. Yo, MSTR. Look at that. Yeah, so yeah, we're already like going super saiyan on the day. We like wait. If you look at the Qs, yo, it swept down 597.25. Yo, it's already up almost $8 off the bottom. Let's check SPY. Yeah, SPY up like not as much percentage wise, but yeah, it's already up like 5 off the MRSN. Oh, that's different. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is exactly the kind of thing I don't chase, but wild. It's quite the movement. Wait. But that was Thursday. Today it's like kind of chilling. That's cool to see. I'm just not able to really capitalize off those stocks. In call SoFi closing in on SoFi. Let's get it. Yeah, let's see SoFi get to this 200 EMA on the 15. Tesla trying to come fill that gap. My goodness. Where was what were my levels on the watch list this morning for Tesla? Where's that? Support 381. Resistance. Alright, hey, alright, yo, it ran support to resistance so quick. Wow. I had resistance all the way up at 396. Bro, we're like 30 minutes into the day. Will we get the data slapped down 3 minutes? You said data slapped down. I don't think we're getting any data today. We got Fed speakers today. I would think the positivity, or actually, no, what's crazy is the fact that we sold off extra in the morning and now we feel like we're doing good today because of the fact that we've been moving up since we opened. I would like SoFi to close in on 40 couple weeks to wait for that. I would like SoFi to close in on $40 as well today. We got birthdays to bless. Hey, Oracle trying to come back to break even. I'm glad that it's holding up here. Cause actually, where's the daily? Oh yeah, Oracle. I'm gonna need Oracle to push. Because beyond here, I'm like, oh, it's gone. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens with Oracle, but we needed to push. Bro, Netflix, my goodness. I just don't want to run the same scripts. Shoot, Netflix might end up making its way to. Hold on, let's actually. What's this looking like on the 4 hour? All right. So looking at the 4 hour, I say let's see what Netflix does at like 11:12. How it responds to that level if it falls that far. And if it loses that, it could be a little bit more serious. All right, so had a good run to start. Things trying to pull back a little bit. Oracle trying to push a little bit though. Here for Oracle. Let's move around. Meta's been feeling it, man. Wedbush Securities added Meta Platforms to its best ideas list, keeping an outperform rating in a 920 price target. Hey, it's a good idea to me. AMD trying to, dang. AMD came down to 235. AMD, wow. Having it's 15-minute recovery built different. All right, we got the Qs moving up. Hold up. Is NVIDIA still moving up? Yeah, AMD's green now. Hey, we're gonna let them race. I'm gonna put I'm not trying to look at I'm not trying to look at Netflix right now. Yeah, I'm gonna let NVIDIA and AMD race. More Fed speak that yes there is. I would hope it's more positive than it's been sounding because because of the fact that they now said they're going to release the data for October on the 26th, when at first they were saying we weren't going to get any data at all. So honestly, I wouldn't expect the data to be good, but just because we have something coming out, I think that is better than nothing. Because at first they tried to say it was gone forever. So far, retesting the 48 EMA. AMD ran like straight to the 200. I think we have a slow grind up. We'll see. We'll see. See how we do it today. All right. Nvidia looks like it's still trying to muscle on through. Yeah, good little trend. Good little trend. We moving. Moving. Doing a little recovering. I'm recovering too. Yo. I'm here for it. Let's get it. Good morning. Wonder if SPY will close green. Always does on Fridays. Well, yeah, if it's anything like last Friday, it will. Last Friday was crazy. But it didn't even start going up yet this early last Friday, so we'll see. Top of the morning, knew that. I want to see the 30-minute now. Let's see how we're looking on the 30. I like that first 30-minute candle. Yeah, I'm going to shift to the 30-minute now. So Tesla. And let me delete that little line on Tesla. I wanted to short today because it looked bearish because it went off. Yeah, so when I opened the market, when I opened the charts this morning, I know there were a lot of things that, like, if you zoom out to like the daily chart or like the weekly chart, a lot of things are at, like, it either opened up at liquidity on the daily, or it was like maybe the weekly 13 EMA or something along those lines for a lot of the stuff I was looking at. So I was like, yeah, I'm not I'm not going to try to pile on to the downside, and I'm not going to try to ride the upside, because it's like these things can lose to the downside too. Dang, Netflix is oh my, yo, there's some serious profit taking going on with Netflix. It's down 45. Huh? All right, so still Netflix still trying to push up a little bit. Let me still got to bring SoFi and AMD up to the 15 or the 30. Ooh. I'm gonna get rid of these lines on SoFi. Thought SoFi was at a good area for a call entry. Call, but entry wasn't good. I would say when it comes to SoFi being at a good entry for a call, I would say it depends on what time frame you're looking at. It's like yeah, it really depends. Cause it's like there was support here. That was good area for a call, but then we came up to resistance here. Then it's like, okay, slow down. Might want to see how it responds first to see how it reacts. But then, because on a 30-minute, it's on a downtrend. I believe 10-minute, it looks like it's about to start an uptrend. This might be a good spot for entry if you're like getting it on a 5, because if you look at the 5, we had this run up, the EMAs crossed the upside, we're retesting the EMAs, so right here at this EMA might be an area for it to bounce up and go further. But you know, they say the stock market is a tool to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. Shoot, I might need to stand up. Kind of sleepy. We're gonna send it up. Yeah, I'm on the 5. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna say this environment is rough with the day trades, but ooh, let's get in here. Let's get on screen, on camera. All right, yeah, we got the Qs still pushing, pumping. Hold on, let me pull Netflix back up. It looks like it was trying to. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it over here. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to create some liquidity. Looks like we might have a little sweep action going on here. If that's the case, I'm cool with it. April, top of the morning. Yeah, we got gold selling off now. I'm looking at it. That could be slightly bullish. A little bit. Let's take a quick look at Market Dash. See what things are looking like today. It's a beautiful day in DFW, TGIF. That it is. Beautiful morning. Very, very beautiful morning. Honestly surprised it's still this warm outside. Like it had got cold for like a couple days, and then y'all know now we're back to this. I turned on the heat for a day, maybe like a day and a half. And then that second half day, I'm like, why is it so hot? And I'm like, oh, it's hot outside. Let me turn the AC back on. Nvidia attracted the heaviest trading in borrowed shares that were sold short. Let's see. Options grower, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Seems like the SPY is moving up. What is the charts? Right now, pre-market high is 671.55. So that's the range, the 664.27 to the 671.55. That is the range. We are running it very fast. I'd like to see us kind of continue up and go further, but yeah, we're running the range very fast. And then for the Qs, the like resistance 607.15. When it comes to next resistance on the SPY, I'd probably throw that about like 670.50, but yeah, the top of that resistance is a 671.55. Once again, be aware of the elevated premiums for options contracts. You are paying more for options contracts today just because of the volatility. And as time passes, the value of the contract will go away if the stock doesn't move because of that theta. spot on the contracts. We're way higher than. Oh yeah, I'm not even. I haven't even like looked. Haven't even looked. I just know the price is up. Yeah, I see this volatility and whatnot. It's like that's why I've like I like to buy stuff like when it hasn't moved before a large move. Like yeah, we're definitely like there are definitely large prices being paid because it's like it can move a lot in either direction. No, I don't trade futures. I was like I'm not opposed to doing it in the future, but as of right now, I don't trade futures, and I got too much going on right now to like just hop ship, jump ship. Once I feel like I've got something and got enough going on with the options, maybe. But nah, I know there are a lot of good people to out there that teach the futures. Do you trade futures? I know they're favorable in a lot of ways, but I like that you got more assets with options. Yeah, the spies ran for it today. You took that chance at market open on calls. Hey, hey, we're all still learning, so that's good. That's good. All right, the Q's is about to get to its pre-market resistance. Let's see if it can close that gap. Got a little gap up to 608, 609. Also got the 48 EMA on the 30 up there at 609 as well. Nvidia is really doing this thing. AMD kind of slowed down a little bit. But yeah, Nvidia has earnings. I think this upcoming week. Yeah, earnings on Wednesday. So y'all be on the lookout for that. If Nvidia decides it wants to go crazy, it could. Nvidia could come through and steal the show. You never know. We going for starting the third green candle of the day on the 30. Let's see if we can get it. That last candle on Nvidia was kind of flat on the 30, but think we can do a little more, get a little more out of it. And now you know Bell Biv DeVoe. I see you rhyming. I don't know about the Bell Biv DeVoe, but I know it rhymes. I see what you're doing. But if that's something, if there's a reference, I don't get the reference. I might not be cultured enough, but I'm cultured enough to catch the rhyme. Any roots, old school music? Okay. Cool. AMD trying to pull back a little bit. Nothing crazy, but trying to pull back a little bit. Ooh. God, I got this little balance board down here. Really need to use it. Oh yeah, that is goodness. I was watching your older videos and got inspired. Oh. That means my newer videos need to be more inspiring. Is there a certain one that like hit you with some inspiration? Let me know. It might need to be refreshed. I feel like my stuff more recently is more like it's kind of just like, yo, this is what happened. This is what it is. Wait, okay. I know nothing about trading, but I put 100 in video on Robinhood just to see. Like stock or options off of E85. Apparently Netflix is in a bidding war for, is that Warner Brothers? Said no, your newer videos are, oh, appreciate that. I feel like they all kind of serve their purpose. It's like sometimes I watch my older videos, I'm like, wow. I'm like, yo, the effort in this area, it's like, wow. It's like, I'm like, yo, I couldn't. Well, it's not that I couldn't do that today, but I'm just like, oh wow. There is something about the youth and being fresh to something that really gets you kind of going. Like I was doing like certain like different cuts. Like I think I was trying to make it a little more entertaining. Now I'm just like, yo, let me share the facts. Let me show you what's up. I'm not here to entertain you. Now I'm just like, yo, let me just add value. That's what I'm here for. Not that there is not value in entertainment, but it's like you said, how's that challenge going, weren't you? Oh yeah, that's not going anymore. That's not going. I think if I'm being real, it didn't even go that far. Bro, I feel like that may have been around the time with all the did I start that around like April or something, March or April? If I did, that's probably why that didn't go that far. But it's like it started off like I think I got maybe like 6 weeks in, and like I feel like that's how it always goes. I got like 6 weeks in, got like well above target, and then like I may have been in like 3 different trades at a time, and you get something like, oh, first off the whole tariff situation when he first brought it out, and then it's like stuff goes down real fast, and it's like, oh, I hit my stop. It's like I need to cut out, and it's like, oh, yeah, I lost this much across 3 different trades, and then it's like, oh, you know what? Never mind. Now is a very good time to buy stocks, and then I don't know. It's like the stuff keeps running and keep running, or the play that I was originally, and it's like, oh wow, yeah. So I should have stayed in that, but so no, it's like the volatility was insane, shook me out. I think I got my 3 strikes, and I'm like, okay, this is done. I'm not trying to throw money at it. I think I actually just slowed down on trading during that point in time, because sometimes you need to realize when it's a good idea to slow down, like when you're losing money. So I wasn't losing like large amounts of money, but I was losing money during those, like, it was probably about a month and a half. So I was like, yeah, let me hold on, wait till I get back to territory where I understand, like, where things make sense again. Cause I was getting slapped by him. You said yes, Warner Brothers. Okay, well, I'm gonna need everyone to overlook the whole Warner Brothers thing and look at the fact that, hey, stock split on Netflix. Don't we want to buy it? Oh, also, off of E85, yo, that's cool. That's cool. That's how you get started buying some stock, buying your first stock. It's like seeing, like, I would like to say congrats on that start. You got to start somewhere, and I pray that you continue to grow and learn and develop. It's like, every day you make steps, like make decisions that kind of move you forward, move you to progress. And I know me buying my first stock has led me a ways, like a ways. I think it would take you very far, and I honestly feel for the people who don't invest or anything such as that, because just looking at the way things are going, if you don't have ownership of anything, and then these companies that own anything, or all these companies no longer need us as no longer need us working in them. I was like, I don't know where the money's coming from. What is I was just looking at something. Oh, the SPY is getting up there to the resistance. So it's at the next area of resistance I was talking about. But the top of the pre-market is 671.55, and then we got a gap fill to, hold up, to about 672.33. Congrats, it's a marathon. Do not give up. Yeah, it's like just know that small good decisions every day, like any amount in the right direction, it will get you places. Oracle, hey, Oracle on the morning. Hold on, let's Oracle in the green on the day now. Okay, I'm liking the morning movement. I'm kind of wishing I waited a day before I got in Oracle, but hey, I'm liking the morning movement. I'm only 23, but I feel like I'm late. But I don't want to. Oh no, off of E85. I am 28. I think I dropped out of nursing school when I was 22. That's when I started investing, and I had a lot of money, and then I like lost it because I jumped over, started learning options. But like, or actually, I didn't even have a lot. I built up to like 5K, and that 5K probably would be at least 400K today if I held the stocks I was holding on to and didn't reinvest in it. But I took it, and then I learned options, and unfortunately I did well with, or options was like so easy. Like it was on easy mode when I first started trading options. So, it's like imagine you go to the casino and you're just winning to start off, but you don't know how you're winning, you're just winning. That's how options was for me at first. And then you make one bad move, and then it's like, okay, let me learn about this. And it's like, as you're learning about it, it's like, oh, hold up. that's not working the way I thought it would. And it's like you lose some more, you lose some more, you lose some more, you lose some more. And it's like you lose a lot of money. And it's like all that time I also wasn't investing. So it's like when I was 23, I didn't have money I was putting in on the side. Now I make sure I have the money I invest before I trade options or anything like that. And it's really the money that I invest that is really doing anything for me, honestly. Sounds outlandish, but I'm rooting for Spot. It's not outlandish to me, honestly. As early as we're doing this, like if we look on the 200 is at 677. If we go to the 4 hour, oh, I'll shoot for 677. Yeah, I'll say 677. That's that's my uh that's my optimistic. But yeah, if we get like some wild news, sure, we could get it. I saw that vid too. I never knew you went to nursing school till yesterday. Oh yeah, you must have been in the weeds. I remember whenever I used to like really get into people's YouTube channel, I would go to their YouTube and I would like I would sort by the oldest first. And bro, it's crazy to see the growth that people go through. Bro, if you go to the beginning of my channel, when I first started this channel, I think first, bro, I try to make a vlog, extra random. I think there's some sound cut off because I didn't know about the whole music copywriting, all that stuff. Um, I think I tried to make a video about how to clear up your acne, all that stuff. Bro, I was like throwing pasta at the wall, trying to see what sticks. He said my wife's in that field now. Wow, I'm glad you're still comfortable and are still living. Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Honestly, I could not imagine my life if I would have continued on into that. It's crazy how God works. It's like in that moment, I thought it was all I wanted, but then when I dropped out, I'm like, yo, I guess this is not His plan. And it's like when I look back, had I like at the fact of like, yo, if I were to continue on doing that, there's nothing wrong with if my life were going to that, but I was like, that is truly God saying like, yo, I have a better plan for you. Congrats to any Palantir or MU call owners. Let's take a look at Palantir. Let's see how Palin is tearing. Let's see Palantir. Oh, okay, yeah, they went crazy today. Okay, and then you said MU. Use. So they were, yeah. All right. Said Netflix looking better. A little bit. Smart. I plan on using this 100 and investing the profits. I don't plan on investing more. Hey, off of E85. Um, I don't know. I don't know. It's like I feel like I want to pour into you. I feel like I want to change that mindset, but also it's like when it comes down to it, I don't know. I would say you're starting in the right place. It's cool. It's cool. But it's like there comes a point the more you learn, you realize like every dollar you have is a soldier that can go out there and acquire more to work for you and earn. And I think what changed my life was Honestly, I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the concept of like acquiring assets. Okay, so SPY is already at 672. Yeah, okay, we're kind of going wild a little bit. We going up, we going up. Interested to see where this goes. But going back. Hey, SoFi trying to come back up too. Nvidia is Nvidiaing, but yo, acquiring like assets instead of liabilities, and it's like once your assets exceed your liabilities, you're free, and as long as your expenses are below your assets, it's like you don't need to work another day in your life, and it's like on top of like the assets and liabilities thing, like the idea of making money while you sleep and like how much money you can make while you sleep has kind of become a game to me. And it's like when you learn to play that game, if you like playing games, if you like strategy and whatnot, uh playing the game, it's fun. It's fun to see like how far you can go and like just push. It's like my wife made the comment to me the other day. She's like, I feel like all you like are these game shows, and it's like I like the game shows that like kind of take strategy. I try to like put myself in the shoes of like, oh, what would I do? How would I do this? Which way has the highest probability of success and all that? Because that's kind of how I look at money and like each trade and all these and it's when you start looking, because money's just a game, y'all. All right, let's see. Use Inspire Mini, and hey, good stuff. Appreciate that. How often and how long do you stream? So today, I'm only streaming till 10:30, or actually 10. You know what? We'll go 10:30. I was gonna get off at 10, but that's kind of soon. So the public ones are every Friday at market open. So yeah, every Friday market open till about, I think, typically till like 11. So first 2.5 hours, but and then I stream Monday through Friday for like my mentorship kind of group. Silver, I know you guys watch and spy, but Silver has a gap on the 4 hour. We can take a look. Okay. Are you looking at this one to the downside? Here, I want to look at gold real quick first. Okay, so it kind of pulled back. I don't know, because it bounced off the 48 EMA. We do have the VIX has come down. VIX has come down. My thoughts are my thoughts are just like, I'm gonna have to wait. It is in a downtrend. You can try to like, if you want, come through and draw like that's not that good. But if you wanted to, you could try to come draw something like that. But Nvidia is saying we gotta run into these earnings. Hey, no, yeah, I'm here for it too, because that's exactly why I was like, yo, let me take this chance on this extra out of the money call. This might be the first point I look at a call today. Let's see, or look at a contract. Let's see. Hold on. It's not even opening up. Oh, my portfolio is green. Good stuff. What's lifting it? Oh, Oracle's looking a lot better than it was yesterday. Okay. What was I looking at? I was looking at the Nvidia. Oh, I'm in the green on that Nvidia too. Hey, I'm here for it. Let's go, Nvidia. Let me go check on that Netflix. I know that's hurting. I know that is hurting, but this will be good. Unfortunately, I'm about to get on the road though. I can't really like watch this stuff today. Oh yeah, that Nvidia is hurting today. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that hurt today. Wow. Okay. Oh, not Nvidia, that Netflix. My bad. Hey, top of the market on fire today. That it is. Also, top of the morning. I hope Chad is having another good day. Hey, I hope so as well. It's it was a good day, especially to the dip buyers. Took profit on my sofa. Hey, nice, Edward. Nice. You so nope in the call. Oh, cool. Good stuff. George, top of the morning, and top of the morning. Happy to see y'all today, or at least see y'all's names. One day I'm gonna meet some of y'all. One of these days. I feel bad for any that went put. Nah, yeah, it's like it wasn't feeling right at open. Like the puts, it was like the level it was at. It's like if I was gonna go for puts, I was gonna have to like hold on. Like I was gonna need to wait, and we would need to be like closed below certain levels. So I would have to wait until the day was over. Wait for this week to close out to see. But yeah, we might start the Tom Lee run now. I won't be mad at that. If we meet, I'm taking you to Kava. All right, and then shoot, if we meet in Texas, I'm taking you to Piata. Yeah, Kava's cool. It's cool. Hey, trust me, it is good. It is good. Yeah, if you like Kava, you'll like Piata. Better. Oh yeah. They're both better than Chipotle. Chipotle used to be all right. My wife still likes Chipotle. I don't really like it anymore. Texas Roadhouse in my Texas Roadhouse is cool too. Yeah, Texas Roadhouse is cool. I just gotta watch out for Texas Roadhouse. It'll add them pounds to me. Do your shares if you just have shares, no, they don't expire. Unless the company closes out. But I don't think that's happening with don't think that's happening within Nvidia. That cinnamon, oh yeah, that mess is good with the rolls. Mm. Mm-mm. Yeah, Chipotle has lost a step. Nah, for real, it's like yo, these companies have like such a good thing going, and then it's like, oh yeah, let's change it up. Let's change where we're sourcing our products. Wait, Top Golf in talks to be sold to private equity firm. Oh, that's a Callaway brand. Okay, they're gonna sell Top Golf. Okay. Seller's about to jump in. Honestly, yeah, this is a good level. Yeah, honestly, cause yo, if you look right here, let me make it in red. But yeah, honestly, this would be a good level for the sellers. I would say that's a good call. Yeah, right there. So looking at the cues, let's hop to a different time frame on the SPY. See if we, yeah, you can see the sellers. Well, actually, we didn't sweep anything on the SPY. Let's see what it looks like on the 30. Nah, we haven't swept anything on the SPY, but yeah, that same kind of deal here. The short on the SPY would be like once it comes to this level. So it might be able to push a little bit more. But I will watch out at this I guess 673, 63 area. All right. Okay, hold up. So I stayed in Lyft and Uber. So far, so good. Down on Uber, up on Lyft. My stop loss didn't trigger. Also, I got family somewhat near you, waiting for an excuse to visit family. Send out the. Yeah, the. Still don't. I still need a car for a meetup. Unless it's like a meetup in like, I don't even know where it would be hosted yet. Cause if it's in Dallas, I'm gonna be like, that's a 40-minute drive for me. If it's in like Frisco, that might be like a 20 minutes, but that's probably a suitable distance. I just don't know where. They're building stuff. They're building stuff in Frisco, like places supposed to end up becoming the new Dallas. So as they continue to do that, that may be more of a possibility. Cake is good. Just recently had it. Oh, Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Yeah, cheesecake and their bread. I like the brown one. They give you those. I think it's like three different breads, bro. And whoever I'm with, we always like smack down on the brown bread. Seller's about to jump in. But yeah, that was a good call, Kong. Maji, Top Golf. Here, let me. Bro. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold up. Okay. What is Mod G? Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, that's what it said. Okay. I didn't know that was their ticker symbol. I wouldn't have guessed that. DeSoto is where I know where that is. I mean I'm not sure I've ever like been to DeSoto, but I know it's a Dallas suburb. And I feel like we probably like in high school competed against them in like track or something. And a Rigetti $35 call. Is it down too much? I'm hoping for Rigetti to come down more, but let's look at Rigetti. It could be on the way. So one thing I will want to see before I start looking at it to come up there, I would want to see it come below this 13 EMA on the 27, but I would say above this. Next area to look out for would be 32 or so. Then probably about 33, and that's kind of where you got these EMAs at over here now. But do like that it's oversold and it's being pushed up, but kind of gotta watch out. So I think it can come up, but it can definitely like ride down some more. Like here, let me clear this, but it's like came up, broke this trend down, and I think it ultimately still needs to come back to where this trend started over here at about like 1970 or so, which it appears I don't have an alert for some reason. Me set an alert at that level. Yes, cheesecake. The brown bread with the butter is great. You're trying to hit the 200 EMA. Oh yeah, let the spy hit the 200 EMA. Hey, that's a run right there, but that's like I won't be here to see that today. And if I am, that's incredible if it does do that while I'm here. But yo, that's something right there. Hold up. I'm supposed to have something delivered. Let me make sure it hasn't been delivered real quick. Oh, I gotta write something on my calendar real quick. That's soon. Okay. What are my thoughts on Ion Q? So that's one I'm personally like I want to see it pull back. I want to say it's like maybe like 35 I'm looking for it to pull back to. It's definitely a stronger one. But I want to say I feel like I'm waiting on it to pull. Yeah, I got like a level at 35. I think I just looked at that like yesterday. Ooh. Oh no, I thought this was down, but yeah, it looks like I would expect it, like just looking at this 13 EMA right here, with the trend, I would expect it to kind of lose at this level. I hope this trend down kind of continues, but I'm not sure. Or I guess no, I said I'm not sure, but honestly, that's just my kind of conclusion right there. That may be the range for the day. We may have hit the top. I'm gonna say that we may have hit the top. It's possible, but it's been great range today. Great range. Oh, hold on, y'all. Let me get this off my doorstep. I did get the delivery. Be right back. All right, and we good. We good. So, yeah, got my delivery. QQQ broke P mark. Yeah, so the Qs broke pre-market high, but there was this liquidity right here. So maybe it comes back to retest pre-market high, but we'll have to see what it does when it gets there. But from here, you would expect a pullback to about this pre-market high level, actually. But once it gets back to the pre-market high level, you want to see how it responds there. SPY hasn't actually gotten to the resistance yet, or to that liquidity yet. All right, so Q's coming back to potentially retest. We'll have to see. Options grower. Oh, yo, have a blessed day. Gotta get on the road. I gotta get on the road like shortly after you too. Or actually probably about 20, 30 minutes after. Appreciate you, family. Have a blessed day, man. Blessed weekend. BMNR still looks like it's hold up. Y'all know I said I liked it around 30. Where is it? Where we at? Yeah, BMNR. It still hasn't hit, but I'm like, never give up, never give up. Keep moving forward. Keep on trying. Like the energy. All right, so looks like we're trying to still show some strength. Actually, D Scurry, we got our 3 on the 30. You look at the SPY and the Qs. It's looking good. That's probably why D Scurry was talking about the 680. Shoot, I want to see Nvidia at 200 today. So Nvidia topped out at 212. Okay. Out of silver. I'm just saying it's moving. I do want to say one of the things we said about the SPY and the Qs is it's expensive. Options in general are expensive today, so keep that in mind. I'm not making any trades today. I'm actually about to cut off at like 10:30 or so. Yes, we do. SPY and the Qs might hit. Oh, that's what we were saying. I forgot about that M sense. Yeah, what he just said. Nvidia to 200 would be fantastic. Netflix. Yeah, we need and Netflix needs to make its move back up above that 1160, or it's probably come down now that wherever that EMA was. Let's see. Nah, it's still at like 1160. Nvidia, yes, Nvidia to 200 would be outstanding. So I wouldn't mind if they like leaked the earnings results. I feel like there was a point in time when a lot of stuff was getting leaked, but it wasn't actually leaked. People just said it was leaked, and people just started buying it up. Wouldn't be mad if that happened to my benefit. All right, we got the SPY trying to push up some more. The Qs, look at that. Look at all that buying pressure. They push that thing back up. Weird seeing you on the 30 instead of the one. Oh yeah, I'm just here observing, seeing things, and I like to shift through the time frames. I'm not trading. I'm just observing. Yeah, just cuz when it came to the 15, it looked like most of the things were going on. The 1 hour was a little bit slower than what I was trying to look at today. 30-minute, you just see more candles. But the 15 was it wasn't quite enough. So yeah, I hopped up to the 30. This isn't typically like how I would trade though. This might be a weird weekend where if crypto goes, hey yeah, I would love to see the market kind of do something like that. Oh yeah, we're pushing. Trying to pump some more. Trying to find some more life. Oracle's almost at that 4-hour EMA too. Then coin moving, paper ended it. Let's see. Dang. Oh yeah, that's how the day. Crypto's not even really doing better yet. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this because that move already happened. The one on the SPY hasn't. That's kind of wild. This was the kind of thing I hoped would happen today, but you're always rolling the dice with how soon it's going to happen on a Friday. You know, last Friday they kind of took a while. They waited till the end of the day. Today they're like, oh yeah, let's get it early. Oh yeah, we pushing up. Pushing up. Check in on NVIDIA. Oh, not really doing anything. It's still in the same spot. Imagine Nvidia doubles on everything, on earnings, on what's. All right. That is very well welcome. All right, the SPY is approaching that where I was saying that liquidity is. I think the Qs might have there's more liquidity here too on the Qs. I would probably like look to this one, be in the next kind of area, the 612, see how it holds there. Let's take it to a 5 though. What's it look like on a 5? Oh yeah. A little hump right there on the 5. Let's see what it's looking like on the 5. Oh, we got the 13 about to cross over the 200 on the 5. Yo, I think the SPY is green on the day. Yo, y'all voted 55% red. You're wrong. No, I'm kidding. The day's not over yet anyway. But yeah, this is hey, good movement. SoFi trying to get up and at them too. Yo, what's hold up? What's my wife doing? Gotta see where my car is going. All right, so SPY is at this level. Yo, what is? Oh, okay. I was about to say. All right, let's see how we do. We're pumping. We are pumping right now. No, I don't really trade SPX. Yeah, because I just trade the SPY. I know they move very similarly. It's like all the gaps in the SPX chart kind of throw me off a little bit. All right, yeah, let me take this to a 15. Okay, we still got 4 on this 15. Oh, it's about time for me to roll. I have traded SPX before. I know what it's like. Nvidia one. Yeah, it does. The contracts kind of cost more and a little weirder too. It's like if I'm using more, that's a consideration. Like it's definitely a consideration whenever I'm using more. But like sometimes when I'm trying to look for the snipes, I don't fully know how to do that with the SPX yet. Like for the crazy. But I know today this would have been an amazing day to get an SPX contract. D-Scurve, I voted green. We'll see though. Yeah, because it's about to come to this 2. It looks just really close to that 200 now, just like looking at it. That's wild. When you say you go down $10 or 10 strikes? Oh, okay, I feel you. All right, so we're approaching the 200 on the 15 rapidly. It's looking like they don't even care about this short time frame liquidity. 10 strikes. Okay. Oh, you said she's picking me up some bros. No, she's already back here. I think she was just moving it. Yeah, SoFi right there above. Shoot, let it run to that 30. Shoot, let it run to the 43. 30, 43. Yeah, I'm about to. It's at a point where I'm about to take stuff up to the 4 hour. It's moving like that. There we go. That's a beautiful 4 hour candle. Beautiful. Yeah, let's go on and turn that NVIDIA on too. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we like to see. That is what we like to see. All right, yeah, let me take this time to close it out, family. Let me say your boys got a roll, but I appreciate y'all taking the time, stopping by, smashing the like button, listening with your ears, viewing with your eyes, those of you that have your eyes on the screen. I hope each and every one of y'all in trades, with shares, all that good stuff. I hope y'all's trades and y'all's positions go y'all's way. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend, blessed day. And last but certainly not least, Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Edward. Peace out. Option. Oh, we already rolled out. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, D-Scurv. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Deanna. Peace out, Travis. Let's see. Peace out, Lucian. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, New Net. Yeah. Y'all have a blessed day. I pray the market keeps going boom to the upside. Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.